What is up, Toronto? We have the OVO 4s out here. You know the biggest reason of this shoe? The Drake signature. Warriors lost to the Toronto Raptors in 6. You know why? Because Drake is the 6th god. 6 G-O-D. You already know, yeah? And so we're going to be reviewing this beautiful shoe today. It's a size 12.5, baby. Holy shit. You have a regular Jordan 4 out here. The only difference with this shoe is you have a Drake OVO 6 god signature on the tongue on both shoes. Jordan thing tags right here with flight feature on the bottom. Really cool touch. And yeah, the whole thing on the black here is like all suede, a little bit of plastic on this part here. With a hits of the Toronto Raptor red, purple. Beautiful, beautiful. What an NBA season this was, man. When they won, this shoe shot up like crazy, but it bricked overnight. But that's beside the point. You know, we're out here trying to appreciate the celebration that's going on today. Toronto, we are celebrating our first chip, and it's beautiful, man. I want my chip with the dip, like how Drake wants his chip. And yeah, let's eat some chips with this shoe. You know, when you go to a Mexican restaurant, you gotta get some chips and some dips, and you dip this shoe in the dip. Amazing shoe, amazing shoe. Just the whole story behind this whole historic NBA season was just incredible. Like, let me show you guys the back tongue before I forget. Jordan Jumpman on both shoes in purple, nice. Raptors in 6 this season. Kawhi's coming to LA. Free agency, he's gonna play with LeBron, AD. You'll be a fool to not want to play with these two. You don't want to win, right? You don't want to win, you're gonna stay in Toronto. But they're a good team. Fred VanVleet should have probably won an MVP. But let's fucking go. Drake OVO, God's Clan, Kawhi's Clan. Lakers 2020 NBA champion.